What's up, Mopar fam? It's your boy at Fred Easy. What's going on today? On this episode, we're talking about the top 5 do-it-yourself maintenance tips for your Dodge Challenger. Alright, let's get it. The goal for this episode is to highlight the top 5 maintenance tips you can do for yourself with minimal tools and not having to put the Challenger on ramps, use a jack, or having to go underneath the Mopar. Also, we don't have to remove the wheels. This list also applies to the LX platform Dodge Chargers, Chrysler 300s, and Dodge Magnums, as they generally share similar parts and setups. Even with all the different engines, the processes would be fairly similar. The links to the individual maintenance tasks in this list are provided in the description below for all you guys to check out after the video. Alright, let's get it. Number 1 on the list is a no-brainer, and it goes to the cabin air filter, because honestly it is way too easy and an item that should be replaced regularly. I mean, who doesn't want filtered clean air all the time? Think about it. This process requires no tools. All you have to do is pop the hood, locate the cabin air filter box, and replace it. Now for the Challenger, it is located on the passenger side near the windshield, but on other similar Mopars, it can be found in the passenger side glove box. This is an easy one to do and should be done regularly to keep the air clean, whether it be the AC in the summer heat or the warm heater air in the winter. I usually change mine at the same time as my engine air filter at around 30,000 kilometers. Alright, number 2 on this list goes to the air filter. As mentioned before, I usually replace mine at the same time as the cabin air filter. This one's a solid maintenance item which only requires a flathead screwdriver. Just pop the hood, pop the air box lid, and swap out the filters. A dirty air filter generally won't trigger the check engine light, and really one of the only indicators of a dirty air filter is a gradual reduction of performance and fuel mileage. So just do it. I mean, come on, why not? Number 3 goes to cleaning the throttle body. I prefer to do this at the same time as changing my air filter, as this item can be streamlined. While you change the air filter, since you already have the air box apart and the air box hose, this whole process naturally gives us access to the throttle body and its bolts. The throttle body only has 4 bolts and 1 connector to remove, so we only need a ratchet and an 8mm socket for this process. Cleaning the throttle body keeps it clean from carbon and keeps your throttle body nice and responsive. This process also incorporates recalibrating the throttle body position, which is also great to do regularly. Alright, number 4 goes to the signal bulbs. A fairly easy process in general that doesn't take any tools, just access. This gets a mention because once you have access to the area to where you change your one signal bulb, you automatically have access to the headlight bulbs and other bulbs. For the rear bulbs, they can be accessed through the trunk by removing the bulb housing. The fog lights are a little different story, as they're accessed through the wheel well and may require you to remove the wheel. You could get away with turning the wheel all the way to the left or right, depending on the position, but if you needed more room, then the wheel would have to come off. Finally, number 5, we are replacing the wiper blade, which also requires no tools. Most shops and parts stores offer free installation, but this process is always good to know because you never know if you need to change them out quickly. Wiper blades can be damaged easily by extreme weather, may it be freezing rain or torrential downpours with heavy wind. The blades often tear and prohibit windshield clarity while driving during these events. I usually keep a backup blade for this reason, and when I need it, I just quickly change it up. Alright, so that is my top 5 DIY easy maintenance tips that require little or no tools and not having to go underneath the Mopar or remove the wheels. In a future episode, I'll be doing a list of maintenance tasks that requires a little bit more tools, but the basic tools, and would also be important in maintaining your Mopar. As mentioned before, the links for each of these tasks are in the description below. Check them out and have at it. It's always good to do it yourself. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. I would really appreciate it. Take care, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.